Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love salads. From the classics to the ones I created, I need to have at least one salad per week. With almost 70 recipes on the website, here's another one that is totally OMG, and it's my Cantaloupe Cucumber Salad. This is one of my top favorites. With fresh ingredients, this delicious salad is so tasty. It doesn't really need any dressing or vinaigrette. I'm not joking. It's that good. So let's get cooking. After cutting the melon in half, scooping out the seeds and discarding them, we'll slice the fruit into thin strips of about ½ inch. Peel off the skin, and then we'll cube the strips as well. Keep in mind that we're making a salad, and we need bite-sized pieces. We'll do the same with the other ingredients. In a large bowl, we'll add 2 cups of melon pieces, and with the leftovers, use it to make a nice cantaloupe smoothie, which the recipe link is on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by English cucumber, cherry tomatoes cut in half, some red peppers, and red onions. To remove the bitterness from them, check out the link for this great tip. We'll also add crumbled feta cheese, some sunflower seeds, which have great health benefits, about 3 cups of romaine lettuce, and finally, fresh chopped parsley. We'll gently toss our ingredients and serve immediately. As I mentioned in the intro, this salad is incredibly tasty and doesn't need any vinaigrette. But if you want to drizzle some on, try using a light one, such as champagne or mandarin orange. And my friends, this is our Cantaloupe Cucumber Salad. Delightfully delicious. This salad is not only tasty but healthy as well. It's summer in a bowl. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!